Watch my feet go from hard, scratchy, and nasty
to smooth, soft, and classy.
So as you can see, I have cracked feet, calluses, nasty. Let's see if this remedy really works. I kind of watched YouTube and then did my little thing. What did you put in your water, B Cherry? I put a lemon in that bit. A half of one.
Call the old man.
Baking soda. I got baking soda.
Call the old man.
And a little bit of vinegar. You probably could do apple cider too. But before I did that, I put some tea tree oil on the crevices of each of my toes. Let it sit down for a little bit. But now I'm about to let this sit in the water for about 30 minutes. Because I'm tired of paying $40 plus to still leave the seat with cracked feet. You feel me? Because I'm going to be able to scrub my feet and record at the same time. I'm going to go in after I soak my feet for like 20, 30 minutes, maybe longer. I'm going to scrub my feet with this first. Okay? Then I'm going to smooth it out with this. It's called foot buffer. So the callus remover and the foot buffer. Okay, so I used this first, right? The front. Then I used this. All right. Then I went in with the back of this. Boy, that thing smoothed everything on out. So when you're doing this, you're like, oh my gosh, it's looking so crazy. Like, the skin's still poking out. Come here, still scraping off some dead skin. This smooths it out and really takes out the rest of the dead skin, all right? I mean, my feet was hard. Now it's soft. Oh, baby. And don't just rub your heel now. Do the whole foot. Take care of the whole foot. Okay? All right. Not so bad.